What's up guys, welcome back to my Mega Bitcoin channel. This video talk about Litecoin. Why should anyone hold Litecoin in this year? According in CoinMark, Litecoin is placed in 5th positions and now it's 5th place. We see that, and Bitcoin at $8,000 now, and also at the time of writing the price of Litecoin was absolutely at $170. This has been almost an 8% increase since the previous day. The market cap at the time of writing showed approximately 8 million USD, while the volume 24 hours was $500 million. Compared to the previous 2 weeks of fall in prices of many cryptocurrencies, Litecoin is currently failing well in the cryptocurrency market. The uptrend of Litecoin is something that should remind people to hold on to their Litecoin. The cryptocurrency came into being in 2011,000 and hands of Charlie Lee and his co-developers. Some simple reasons to hold Litecoin are: compared for Bitcoin, the Litecoin blockchain is capable of conjugated a much higher volume of transactions within a much shorter time. Faster confirmation of transactions means the difficulty level for the hackers has increased considerably. It takes only 5 minutes to complete 2 confirmations. Litecoin is at an advantage as it uses script algorithm and can be mined using GPU and QPUs. This was done to attract new miners and to make the process less power consuming. That's the mining process of Bitcoin. Reasons to hold Litecoin in this year: the launch of Litecoin, the launch of LitePay. Litecoin again came into timeline with the announcement of the launch of LitePay. LitePay's the potential to increase the revenue for Litecoin by opening up app and enter the new user base. On 25th February this year, a day before the expected launch of LitePay, the Litecoin BTC Pay looked to break the then key resistance level. Litecoin to launch Litecoin Core. Early March this year has seen the price of many cryptocurrencies hit the double bottoms due to the changes in the global market. Litecoin too had a struggle a little to keep afloat. Litecoin had made a wise move to buy launching Litecoin Core 0.16.0. The open source software Litecoin Core allows the users to use Litecoin freely to this launch. Significant positive changes have been made in the Segwit wallet. GUI and RPC have also seen some changes. Litecoin Core version 0.16.0 is also slated to be released as announced by Litecoin in this blog and on 20th. Amazon to use Litecoin. Litecoin has grown to be one of the largest vendors in the world. The company's interest in the newest technology can be understood from its recognition of Litecoin as a medium of payment. Litecoin has too become the new companion of Ripple, recognized Amazon's cryptocurrency payment service. Litecoin can become a hassle-free means of exchange transactions. The usability of Litecoin as a form of transaction makes it ability to be used as money by Amazon on its platform. To be totally accepted by the system, Litecoin will have to continue and improve the user experience on the platform of the vendor. Moreover, the speed of config and order will have to exceed the current speed of config a transaction on the blockchain. Gemini Exchange to add Litecoin. Tyler and Cameron Winkler, the founders of Gemini Exchange, have disclosed that the exchange will most probably add BTC and LTC pace within this year. The team Gemini feels that the inclusion of the new cryptocurrency and new assets will have a positive effect even on crypto derivatives trading. The revelation is also good news for LTC. Litecoin has the potential to take over the retail micropayment market in the near future, according of the to some of the crypto experts. The fact that Amazon is more likely to choose Litecoin over Bitcoin is also one of the major reasons to hold the cryptocurrency. In all the stated reasons show that Litecoin will keep going in 2018 year, in this year. So guys, I say about Litecoin and why you will choose Litecoin, because it is 4 reasons in this year of Litecoin. If one reasons available, if one reasons accepted, Litecoin, the launch of LitePay, it is price of Litecoin is going to the moon, or Amazon to use Litecoin, it's to the moon x2. It's good time when it is released. So guys, thank you watching and see you later. Yeah.